Hi all, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create dual lighting effect in Photoshop. First of all, let's unlock this layer by clicking this lock icon. After that we need to desaturate this image. For that, go to Image menu and select Desaturate from the Adjustments options. Now click on the Adjustments button and choose Gradient from the options. We don't need transparency for the gradient. To change that, click on the Gradient drop-down and choose this style from the basic options. Now change angle to 0. Make sure your gradient style should be linear. Click OK button to close this gradient dialog box. Now change layer blend mode to soft light. Let's edit this gradient color. For that, just double click on this gradient thumbnail. After that, click on this gradient to change the color. Select the left handle and change color to blue. Now select the right handle and change color to red. Adjust the gradient like this. After finalizing the settings, hit OK button to apply the changes. Now select the bottom layer, then go to Select menu and choose Subject from the options. Now we need to inverse this selection. For that, again go to Select menu and this time choose Inverse from the options. Now click on this masking thumbnail on the gradient layer, then choose Brush tool. Make sure your foreground color must be bulk. Change opacity level to 40%. Use it like this. To hide selection, go to Select menu and choose Deselect from the options. Shortcut is Ctrl or Command plus D. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell button to get latest updates.